Hello students. In this video, I am going to explain about the exercise 4 trigonometry problems. Video 9. First problem is evaluate 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. This is the first problem. Once observe here, first term and the second term. Two terms are under the multiplication. If you are observing, first term is tan and secant terms including 1, and second term is cot and cosecant terms including 1. Once go for the solution. Problem taken again is here the logic is I converted all trigonometric ratios in terms of sine and cos. Let's look at here. Tan converted into sine and cos terms, secant converted into cos, cot converted into cos sine, and cosecant converted into sine. How we are converting according to the formulas and its relationships, we can convert 1 plus tan in terms of sine and cos is sine theta by cos theta. Secant in terms of cos is 1 by cos theta into 1 plus cot theta is in terms of sine and cos is cos by sine, cos theta by sine theta. Cosecant theta is 1 by sine theta. This I converted trigonometric ratios in terms of sine and cos. After that, I add the individual terms. 1 plus sin theta by cos theta plus 1 by cos theta. How can we add? Take the LCM. Here, 1 assumed as 1 by 1. LCM is cos theta LCM is cos theta. There is no term here, that is why 2 divided, resultant should multiply with the numerator. Cos theta by 1, cos theta into 1, cos theta. First term. Second, 2 divided, cos theta by cos theta, 1. 1 into sin theta, sin theta. Again, cos theta by cos theta, 1. 1 into 1, that is addition process. Next one, 1 plus cos theta by sin theta minus 1 by sin theta. Again I done the same process. Take by 1, take LCM. 1 sin theta LCM is sin theta. Now divide the denominators here. Sin theta by 1, sin theta. Resultant multiply with the numerator. Sin theta into 1 is sin theta. Next, these two denominators, first term completed. Coming to the second term, sin theta by sin theta, 1. 1 into cos theta, cos theta. Again, sin theta by sin theta, 1. 1 into 1, 1. If you are observing here, whatever the signs are here, just a signs replaced here. Same signs are there. Here also, plus, plus, and minus, minus. Coming to the next step. In this case, a by b into c by d. So simply you should multiply the numerators and denominators as well. That is the same condition I applied. Cos theta plus sin theta plus 1 numerator, Here numerator is sin theta plus cos theta minus 1. Both I multiplied here. While I am multiplying, just I interchange the sin and cos terms. First term sin and second term cos I written. Next step, multiply the denominators. Cos theta into sin theta. Multiply the numerators and multiply the denominators as well. This is the next step. Once observe here, sin theta, cos theta. Sin theta plus cos theta. Here sin theta plus cos theta. 2 same. And here 1 and here 1. These two are same. That means assume it as this is A. Sin theta plus cos theta is A and 1 is B. This is A and this is B. Once now read the formula. A plus B into this is A and this is B. A minus B. A plus B into A minus B. What is A plus B into A minus B? A square minus B square. Now I am applying the formula in the next step. Yeah. Same. A and A. Yes. A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. What is A here? A is sin theta plus cos theta. And B is 1. I substitute the values in the formula. A square minus B square. What is A? A sin theta plus cos theta whole square and minus B is 1 square by cos theta sin theta. Denominator does not change. Next one, sin theta plus cos theta whole square minus 1 square by cos theta sin theta. Previous step I written the same here. Here sin theta plus cos theta is, this is A and this is B. Now read A plus B whole square. A plus B whole square, formula A square plus B square plus 2AB. Convert the term into, expand this form. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square, expand it in the form of A plus B whole square. Now, sin theta plus cos theta, that is A square, that is sin square theta, B square cos square theta, 2AB plus 2 into A sin theta, B cos theta, minus 1 square is 1. Denominator is same. Just I interchange the terms here. Now, already you know the formula sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. That means here we are having sin square theta plus cos square. This value is 1. Okay, next. In place of this sin square theta plus cos square theta, I substitute 1. That is the formula that we have. The same term I written. And 1 and 1 gets cancelled. Plus 1 and minus 1 gets cancelled. What is the remaining term here? 2 sin theta cos theta. This is the term remaining. By denominator same 2. Only sin theta cos theta. Sin and sin, cos and cos gets cancelled. Once remember that, once trigonometric ratio cancelled, automatically angle also cancelled. No need to cancel the angle separately. Once trigonometric angle cancelled, automatically angle is eliminated. Some of the students are writing that only trigonometric ratio cancelling, after that angles are writing. You need to write down that. Next, total trigonometric ratio is cancelled, remaining is 2. This is the answer. That is the problem. Once observe here. The conversion, modification of the given problem is very, very important. When you practice more problems, then you're having the idea how to convert the terms, how to get the answer. Okay, students. Next problem. Evaluate sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. In the previous problem, this is one step. The second problem, two different problems has taken and created one problem. Now, same problem I taken here. You know that a plus b whole square and a minus b whole square. Now expand it. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. A minus b whole square is a square plus b square minus 2ab. Now expand this one. Sin theta plus cos theta whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2ab. That's completed. Next one, sin theta minus cos theta whole square, that is a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta gets cancelled. These two terms are equal, both are under the opposite sides. Then you can cancel it. 2 sin theta minus cos theta, 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta, after cancellation that is 0. Remaining terms, sin square theta plus cos square theta, and here also sin square theta plus cos square theta is there. Same terms are written. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta. Already you know that in the previous problem, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to what? 1. Now this is 1 and this also is 1. 1 plus 1, that equal to 2. This is the second problem. Next, third problem. Evaluate secant square theta minus cosecant square theta minus 1. Evaluate secant square theta minus 1 and cosecant square theta minus. Solution is same problem I taken here. Secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1. Already you know the formula. And under the cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. These two formulas we discussed. Here, what is secant square theta minus 1? If you already under the secant square theta minus tan square theta, I given two conditions. In the two conditions, once check the two conditions, secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta formula and cosecant square theta minus 1 equal to cot square theta. These two formulas are there. Once check and observe. I written the same conditions here. Secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. This is tan square theta. Cosecant square theta minus 1 is cot square theta. Now, what is tan square theta into cot square theta? In the formula, cot theta in terms of tan, that is cot is the reciprocal of tan. That is why cot theta can be written as tan square theta. Cot theta can be written as tan theta and cot square theta can be written as tan square theta. Tan square theta into cot square theta written as 1 by tan square theta. That is tan square theta gets cancelled. Answer is 1. Here once secant square theta minus 1 is tan square theta. Once observe the formula here, plus 1 if you are taking to this side, that is converted to minus, and minus tan square theta if you transport to this side, then converted into plus tan square theta. Then secant square theta minus 1 equal to tan square theta. That is the formula we discussed. That condition also we discussed in the video 3 and the video 4. Once observe that and listen to that. Okay students, up to third problem I explained in the exercise 4. In the next video I will explain some more problems, and before that you should do the practice problems. So it's the first problem. In triangle PQR, right angled at Q, PQ equal to 3 cm, PR equal to 6 cm, determine the angle at QPR and PRQ. Same formula, same problem we discussed in the video. Next, do this problem also. Next, second one. If sin 3a equal to cos of a minus 26 degrees, where 3a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Same problem we take in the 2a, but here 3a has given. Once observe. Third one. Triangle ABC, right angle at B, AB equal to 5 cm and ACB equal to 30 degrees. Determine the lengths of sides BC and AC. By using this angle, you can easily simplify the problem. Whatever the triangles has there, you should take the trigonometric ratios. Then the problem will be very easy. Trigonometric ratios you should take and simplify the problem. Okay, students. Thank you very much.